Hindi na nga nakatiis si Andrea Brillantes na basagin ang katahimikan niya simula nang iturong dahilan ng hiwalayang Daniel Padilla at Catherine Bernardo.
Ko na these past few months ay napakahirap para sa atin. Pinili ko na lang ho talaga sanang manahimik at lunukin lahat ng mga binabatong salita sa akin ng lahat.
Di napigilan ng Katniel fans ang mainis at sumabog sa galit dahil sa matagal na panahon ay pinangangalagaan nila ito. Ang iba ay lumaking kilala ang Katniel na nagpakilig sa kanila at naniwalang sila ang magkakatuluyan. Walang nakikitang red flag ang mga kababaehan kay Daniel sa paglipas ng panahon at maraming gustong-gustong makahanap ng lalaking kapareho ni Daniel ang katangian. Kaya naman, talagang nagulantang ang lahat ng lumabas ang balitang nagkikita na ng palihim si Andrea at Daniel sa kondo at di umano'y may nangyayari. Sa mga kumakalat na balita, lalong dumadami ang bashers ni Andrea at talagang sinisisi kung bakit wala na ngayon ang Katniel. Matatandaang noon pa lamang ay talagang patay na patay si Andrea kay Daniel. Marami ring beses na nasabi nito ang pangalan ni Daniel. At sa isang blind item pa nga na may nangyari ng kabataan nila ay si Daniel at Andrea ang tinuturo dito. Ayon kay Andrea, ayaw niya muna magbanggit ng diretsong sagot at ayaw niya rin magbanggit ng pangalan. Pero may iniwang siyang mga clue kung bakit nangyari ang mga ito. Pakinggang maigi ang mga clue ng dalaga at ang pagbanggit nito ng pruweba.
Okay, so hello po sa inyong lahat. For speaking up. Thank you, Ali, dahil kahit hanggang ngayon hindi mo pa din ako pinabayaan. Alam ko na these past few months ay napakahirap para sa atin, para sa ating dalawa, para sa ating lahat. And I have mad respect for you dahil kinaya mo pa rin ako ipagtanggol kahit alam ko na gustong-gusto mo na din magsalita. And actually, sa lahat ho na nandito ngayon na nanonood at nakikinig, pinili ko na lang ho talaga sanang manahimik at lunukin lahat ng mga binabatong salita sa akin ng lahat ng tao. Pero kasi, here I am at my happiest moment at madami pa din pong nadadamay at nababalik na mga pangalan kahit hindi naman na ho dapat. At mas lalo pa pong dumadami yung mga fake news. Di ko na ho pahahabain pa, kaya here is my side of the truth and I hope you would all listen or at least give me a chance to explain. Grabe, nasa 80k na tayo. Okay, my hands are shaking. Hinanda ko na yung mga babasahin ko para di ako magkakamali. I would like to address each issue one by one, so please bear with me. I'm gonna start off with, we realized na we weren't growing as individuals na. We love each other as friends and we also like the company of each other as actors at gusto namin matupad yung pinag-usapan namin 2 years ago tungkol sa mga pangarap namin. Yun lang ho, hindi na magbibigay na masyado pang detail. Or sana na nahimik na lang talaga ako. Pero sana man lang guys, once maisip nyo na tao lang din ako, ayoko manira ng tao, nagulat lang din talaga ako and I was just really hurt. Kasi kaibigan ko pa yung. Pero I had no bad intentions. Hindi ko lang talaga naisip because I was acting based on my emotions. At pagkakamali ko yun. I tried to call so many times to have an explanation, makakuha ng sagot, but no one answered. Para sa akin naman kasi, basta kapag masyado na puno yung emosyon mo, please, pause ka muna. Don't do anything foolish. Don't do anything without knowing the whole truth. Pero para sa akin naman, it is never foolish to post your emotions online. Because sadness is a natural and a valid feeling for a human being to feel. Pero kasi since we live in our generation where everything you do and say can be used against you in a negative way, you should always be cautious with your actions. Kasi whether you had good intentions, it won't matter na once it's out sa public. Because people will always twist everything. Third, wala pong totoo doon. Hindi po ako nagloko. Hindi ko din jowa yung mga pinagkalat nyo na kasama kong lalaki sa pictures. And it's funny because naniwala naman agad lahat sila kahit it was just words. Pero kasi meron ding entertainment reporter, may public figure na sinabi yun sa vlog niya, which made the alleged rumor more credible for people to believe. Aaminin ko, I was mad. I was mad furious and I wanted to file a case sa mga taong nagpakalat nun. And in every lie that was thrown at me without any concrete proof. I was mad and broken because everyone was accusing me for something that I didn't do. Guys, let's be real. Kung totoo naman yun, sana kumalat na. Pero walang kumalat na video. Alam ko yung katotohanan. Alam ng Diyos yung totoong nangyari. So, kinalimutan ko na lang and I moved on. I wanted to speak out months ago pa. It was the worst 2 weeks of my life. I wanted to let everyone know what really happened because I'm so tired of taking all the blame for something that I didn't do. I'm so tired of people, and by the way guys, yes, may binabasa talaga ako kasi ayoko may maiwan na detail. I'm so tired of taking all the blame for something that I didn't do. I'm so tired of people portraying me as the bad guy based only on alleged rumors that has no truth. Pero kasi I found my peace and I decided to forgive and to forget. I decided to work harder na lang and let my actions speak for myself. I've been through worse. Ano pa naman to, diba? I also realized that why should I prove myself if everything I do nor say will not be enough for people to believe? Kasi naisip ko, only uneducated people listens to silly rumors. So I please them. Kasi kahit ano naman gawin ko, hindi nila mauunawaan yun. Kaya I moved on. So the reason why I did this now is for people to move on na din. I didn't do this to create another issue. I didn't do this to create another problem, to be called a victim, or to be called problematic. I'm doing this for closure. I'm not asking you to believe in me. Kasi this is for everyone. Closure for me, closure for my fans, closure to their fans. Hindi nyo kailangan maniwala. You can do whatever you want with my statement. Pero ito na yun. I'm happy na I did my part. And I own up to it. Alam ko naman mas madali paniwalaan ang chismis kaysa sa katotohanan. Kaya nga mas madami naniniwala dun eh. Pero the truth isn't easy to accept, but it will set you free. Masaya na ang puso ko ngayon. At ipagdadasal ko na sana matutunan na din nating lahat na maging masaya para sa iba. And since we also have 156,000 viewers, I will take this opportunity to say na sana pagtuunan na lang natin ng pansin ang mas importanteng bagay. Tama na po ang away. Let's all love. I love you all so much. Thank you sa lahat na naniwala sa akin at hindi naniwala agad. And sa mga naniniwala pa rin, I'm just happy na nalabas ko na lahat ng to. Love you all so much. Bye!